Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. It's been a while, I haven't been to this unboxing, but I'm so glad I can share the item I bought from Chanel. Before that, actually, I want to quickly mention my old essay retired. So I had to find new essay. So I was trying to find like really new essay who is like perfect for me and really kind. So I found kind of good new essay. Hopefully, yeah, I can stay with her. Yeah, for long. But when I talk to this new essay, as you guys already pretty much know about this new policy, new system in Chanel, they allow 12 bags in a year, which means every month you can buy one bag, or in 2 months you can buy 2 bags. So you can buy up to 2 bags at one time. But if you buy, let's say this month 2 bags, next month you can't buy anything because in 2 months you can buy 2 bags. But you can buy every month 1 bag. It doesn't matter, classic, SLG, or season bag, among those 2 bags. So it's not about just classic or just season bag, including SLG, as I know. So you can get 12 bags in a year. That's what I know about this Chanel's new policy. And authentication card, you know there is like a card, guarantee card. It's gonna be changed to chip. The one I got, new bag, whether it has guarantee card or not, we're gonna check together. Yeah, so let's do unboxing. But there's one more, fashion jewelry and one mini flat bag. So let's do the unboxing. And one more thing. So I heard from SA that there will be sale for ready to wear and fashion jewelry soon, the end of May. Let's wait for ready to wear and fashion jewelry sale. So now let's get started. So let me open one by one. This one is like a little bit unique. You will see what is a real unique part. So actually I did unboxing one time. But yeah, to show you guys, I am doing it one more time. Oh my god. So you know I love this color. I will show you. Oh my god. I have similar size, so I'm gonna compare another mini flap. The size wise, you know, it's not too big, but it's enough big to fit any essentials. See, it's not too big, but not too small. Oh my god, I am so excited because I love this color. I would collect the same color with all different styles. I'm just into this color. See the color? Yes, white color. You can pretty much guess with this shape. Yeah, it is white color, rectangular mini, which I never had rectangular mini, but this is so pretty. Mini flat bag, 20K mini flat bag. Also, the thing I liked was vintage gold tone hardware. I like either champagne gold or vintage gold. Also, this is very unique because you can see it's like controversial. Some people love this, some people doesn't like. And I would love to have this bag without, to be honest, this shoulder part leather frill. I'm gonna compare with my square mini. So I was waiting for this moment. I wanted to have square mini, also rectangular mini in different color. I am like waiting for another bag, which was rectangular mini coming season. New season, by the way, will be delayed. So it was supposed to be the end of May, but it's gonna be beginning of June or middle of June, something like that. I don't know. For some reason, they had to delay new season bags. So I'm a little bit like, I was waiting, and they're like, oh, okay, I can't stand anymore. I need to go get something. That's why I visited the store and I got this beauty. I love this vintage gold hardware. So I will try to show you what fits inside. Also, I'm gonna compare with square mini. Let me show you like side. So it's a lambskin. You know, the rectangular mini, unless it's like specific like season bag, there will be no like caviar, which everyone, right? This season there was like a caviar in white and beige. I really wanted to get, but to be honest, just personally, this is like my taste. I don't like handle on rectangular mini. It doesn't have handle. I would love to get because it's caviar. It's not gonna get color transfer issue. So I wanted that, but like without handle. So the next season there will be this rectangular mini in black and white. The essay showed me the catalog, kind of. Yeah, so I could see without this kind of frill. So this looks like a little bit seaweed, many people say. So I'm a little bit hesitating, but I love this hardware. Also this white color, it's so hard to get, you know, these days, even though it's lamb. So I'm just happy with this. Yeah, I'm gonna really enjoy for summertime. So this frill for the shoulder, I mean, it's gonna be comfortable when you wear on your shoulder. And it can be kind of feminine style, so you can match with feminine style. Maybe with dress, feminine style might be good. Up like this, smile, pocket here, flat back in gold hardware. It's pretty long. I'm gonna show you mode shot to show how long it is. So let me open. And here inside, there's a guarantee card still. But I heard it's gonna be, disappear. No more guarantee card soon. But I don't know when. We will see. 2021 May, still I see guarantee card. So there's a zipper, one zipper pocket and one just pocket, and there's a authentication, the tag. I like inside is kind of beige lining. Yeah, I love it. It really matches well with this gold tone hardware. So I'm gonna put iPhone first. Snug fit for sure. iPhone 11 Pro fit, very snug fit. See? Yeah, and I don't know which one gonna fit. Let's see. This one, my key or fit, I can't even close. I love this. Oh my god. This is why people buy rectangular mini. Now see, it's a little bit too fat. So instead of this, I can put this one. Yeah, I'm gonna put this. Yeah, it fits very well. I guess you can put sunglasses. Yeah, so I will show you mode shot. But before that, let me compare with Square Mini quickly. Square Mini in black, rectangular mini in white. Both are lambskin. Yeah, I don't think there will be caviar for both anymore. Yeah, that's what I heard. Unless it's a season back. Yeah, with like handle or something. Square Mini is a little bit taller from the side. Yeah, it's a little bit wider. So Square Mini is a taller, wider, but this length is shorter, right? For sure. iPhone 11 Pro fit in here as well. But there will be a little bit saggy part here. But still, it fits. How short it is? A little bit shorter. But this really fit well because it's taller and wider. Yeah, see? I don't know why they don't make any more caviar. I really want caviar as well. And then I would buy in another color, even same color in caviar. This one is champagne gold. I love champagne gold, by the way. So there will be, for next season, there will be a rectangular mini in white without this frill on the shoulder side, but in champagne gold. That's what I heard. And also in black. The backside is pretty much same, smile, face, even the same lamb, different feeling. How about the chain? The Square Mini is a little bit thicker than rectangular mini. Can you believe? I didn't know. Like the chain itself can be different width. Okay, interesting. Yeah, so good to know. iPhone 11 Pro. It's gonna be a little saggy here. Actually, it's not really. It fits well. This one, of course, fits. And the key. And maybe sunglasses. Not in this kind of case, just the sunglasses by itself, it's gonna fit here. Same essential things fit because this one's taller, wider. I love to have both. Yeah, love to collect more. I don't need like classic medium, which is gonna be like 2,000-3,000 more expensive, and it's gonna pretty much same essential things gonna fit. So let's see the mode shot. Okay, I almost forgot. I have one more. I never bought fashion jewelry, and this is first time I buy fashion jewelry. So let me open. The receipt. So cute. Oh my god. I'm so excited because it's first time for me. They don't have many like fashion jewelry mostly. It's like hard to get what you want at the right time. So I was checking like pretty often, and yeah, I got the one I like at last. So let me open. Ta-da! I love this CC logo. Chain side there is a little bit of imitation pearl as well. There's a crystal part and the imitation pearl part. The bigger one is imitation pearl, and the small one, like shiny one here, is crystal. So you see the imitation pearl detail here and there a little bit. So this still here, a little bit like till chest, I would say. but it's not too long. I like it. I can wear casual or feminine. So this one is made in France and necklace with gold white crystal. Yeah, I heard that there will be ready to wear and fashion jewelry sale at the end of this month, which is at the end of May. So wait for it. So if you are interested in fashion jewelry, you can wait till the end of May. So how was it? Hopefully you enjoyed my video today. If you are interested in any fashion, lifestyle in LA, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you soon. Bye.